How are you still not going off?
Coffee, Franklin, Lincoln, and more in the following counties in Alabama. Jackson and Madison.
I think you need to be louder.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and possible. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 43 has been issued until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the Now, the forecast.